Why do Egyptian statues have left foot forward? The notion that Egyptian statues predominantly feature the left foot forward is a common misconception. While it is true that some Egyptian statues exhibit this pose, it is not exclusive to all Egyptian sculptures. In ancient Egyptian art, the pose of the statue was carefully chosen to convey certain symbolic meanings and cultural conventions. One common pose is the canonical stance, where the left leg is slightly advanced and the weight of the body is shifted onto the right leg. This pose is often associated with male figures, such as pharaohs or gods. The specific reasons for the left foot forward pose are not definitively known. However, some theories have been proposed by Egyptologists. One possible explanation is that the left side was associated with the concept of ma'a, meaning balance, order, and truth. Another theory suggests that the pose may have been influenced by the conventions of Egyptian hieroglyphic writing. The use of this pose in statues could have been a way to connect the visual representation with the written language. It's important to note that these theories are speculative, and the true reasons behind the left foot forward may remain uncertain. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.